You got a keyhole saw that you can make a hole in the desk, or already got a hole in the desk that has one of these bad boys? You want a charger and more? I'm going to show you what this product is about. This is from the provider Red Comet. It is a USB wireless charger outlets for your desk with a 2.3-inch circular pop-up holder. They come in a number of colors. This one is a white color. Enough cord to plug into your 110 volt with 3 prongs, and you can't push it in unless you have it on there and it's popped into the area. The push in is right over here in the center. Simply press on it. It comes right up fluidly, and simply press it in, locks into place. One more time, popping up. You got your outlets, single outlets on the bottom, 110 volt. You got your USB-A's on every other one and your USB-C's. And you put your smartphone on top to charge. When it's in a down position, it lays nice and flat. When in the up position, please be careful. I'm at my desk and yeah, I want to charge my phone. I got all this stuff here. I got a charger in the back. I have to put it on there and it charge up, and I got this outlet. This little keyhole right here, the outlet hole, get rid of it. Don't need it. We're going to put in this outlet that pops up. Very simple to do. Simply grab, unscrew, unravel the cord, and take out. All you need to do is just remove the protective cover off the plug, slide through, drop into place. Fits right in there. Make sure that you don't have anything blocking. I do. Drops down. And the wide end facing down to the extension cord, drop and get underneath and place on. You could just do this about single-handedly by slipping on and spinning to lock down. On the top, what you're going to do is you're going to adjust like so and then lock it down. So this way you have your plugs and ports the way you want. You don't want to leave it loose. They got little notches to make it nice and tight. Plug in your end and you're done. Let's take a look at the unit. As we look at it, we have a permanent blue light. It is solid. It will blink if you move off the wireless charger. With the case of the smartphone, it runs, as you can see. You can push down on the unit. It gives a little blinking light when it's off the charger, giving you information. Simply push down and lift up, and you're able to take your smartphone and place on top and charge. Now, not all plugs will work. For example, I can't get this plug to go in. It's off the height. Definitely won't go in the other way. I've loosened up the bottom so I could turn the unit around so you can see all the plugs. They're all the same and identical. So you could take a regular plug or maybe an Apple one, and you could try to plug in one of these bad boys, and that you'll be able to. So now you're able to plug in your unit and run your Apple computer and other things. If I was taking my cable for power, USB-C, I apologize for my hands being in the way. You simply turn it around the correct way and you're able to plug in. The USB-C to the PD20 port, I have that as well. Remember, I have the thing a little loose so I can show you in rotating around. You don't have to make it super solid. So this way you can get all around to your plugs and whatnot. To keep a lower profile of other types of outlet extenders, this fits into the desk that you could clean up, have more room on the desk, have a place so you could charge your phone, have a cleaner area and all. And when all done, you want to take everything off and just simply press down, that's all you do, and everything is roomy groovy. So you're looking for a product, fills the whole 2.36 inch that you're able to plug in your devices, your cables, and run anything imaginable. This product may be something that you are looking for. Charges your phone with the case and more. Thank you for viewing.